Level up your life, the home haircut revolution. Welcome to a new era where you take control of your style, your time, and your wallet. This is not just a trend, it's a movement that's sweeping across households everywhere. Yo, what's up my dudes? Imagine the freedom of never having to schedule another barber appointment. Picture yourself confidently wielding those clippers, transforming your look whenever you feel like it. Tired of forking over your hard-earned cash for a haircut? We all know that feeling of watching our money disappear for something as simple as a trim. It's frustrating, right? Especially when you think about all the other things you could be spending that money on. Feeling the pinch every time your barber raises their prices. It's like every visit to the barbershop comes with a new surprise, and not the good kind. Those price hikes can really add up over time, making you question if it's all worth it. It's time to take control. Imagine the satisfaction of mastering a new skill, one that not only saves you money, but also gives you the power to define your own look. No more relying on someone else's schedule or skills. It's time to level up your life with the home haircut revolution. This is about more than just cutting hair, it's about embracing a lifestyle of independence and self-reliance. It's about taking charge of your appearance and feeling great about it. Yeah, you heard that right. This is your chance to shine, to show the world that you can handle your own. It's empowering to know that you don't need to depend on anyone else for something as personal as your hairstyle. Cutting your own hair is not just about saving money, it's about tapping into that inner confidence, that independent spirit. It's about proving to yourself that you can do it and doing it well. Each snip is a step towards self-assurance. It's about looking in the mirror and saying, yeah, I did that. There's a unique sense of pride that comes with knowing you crafted your own look. It's a daily reminder of your capability and creativity. Think about it, no more awkward small talk, no more waiting around, no more wondering if your barber understands what a trim actually means. We've all been there, sitting in that chair, hoping the barber gets it right this time. It's just you, your tools, and the freedom to shape your style. You get to decide the length, the shape, the style, everything. It's a creative process that you control from start to finish. So buckle up, my friends, get ready to dive into the world of DIY haircuts. It's a journey filled with learning, experimentation, and ultimately, satisfaction. You'll discover techniques, tips, and tricks that will make you a pro in no time. We're about to embark on a journey of self-discovery, one haircut at a time. Each cut is a new chapter in your personal style story. So grab those clippers, set up your space, and let's get started on this exciting adventure together. Welcome to the home haircut revolution. Gear up, tools of the trade. Alright, before we unleash our inner Edward Scissorhands, let's talk tools. The right tools can make all the difference between a haircut that looks professional and one that looks, well, less than stellar. Don't worry, you won't need a whole salon's worth of equipment. Just a few essentials to get you started. And trust me, these basics will go a long way in ensuring you get a clean, stylish cut every time. Clippers, your trusty sidekick. Look for a good quality pair with adjustable guards. These will be your go-to for most of the heavy lifting, especially if you're aiming for shorter styles or fades. A good pair of clippers can last you years, so consider it an investment. Scissors, sharp and precise, these are your detail work heroes. You'll need them for trimming and shaping, especially around the edges and for any detailed work. Make sure they're comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. Comb, for sectioning hair and blending like a pro. A good comb helps you manage the hair and ensures even cuts. Look for one with both wide and fine teeth to handle different hair textures and lengths. Mirror, mirror, you need to see what you're doing, right? A good mirror setup is crucial. If possible, use a three-way mirror so you can see the sides and back of your head. This will help you catch any spots you might miss otherwise. Cape or towel, protect those threads from stray hairs. A haircut cape is ideal, but a large towel can work in a pinch. This will save you from the itchy discomfort of hair clippings sticking to your clothes. Spray bottle. Keep that mane damp and manageable. Optional but highly recommended, damp hair is easier to cut and style. It helps you see the natural fall and shape of the hair, making it easier to achieve a balanced cut. Trimming scissors. For those finer details around the ears and neckline, these smaller scissors give you more control for precision work, ensuring a clean and polished finish. Hair clips. Keep longer sections out of your way. These are especially useful if you're working with longer hair or doing more complex styles. They help you section off the hair, making it easier to focus on one area at a time. A dustpan and brush. Trust me, cleanup will be a breeze. Hair clippings can get everywhere, and a quick sweep will save you from finding stray hairs all over your home. Plus, a clean workspace is always more pleasant to work in. And there you have it. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well on your way to mastering the art of the home haircut. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't flawless. Happy cutting! Setting the stage your home barbershop. Now let's create a vibe. Find a well-lit area, preferably with a mirror that allows you to see all angles. Bathroom or bedroom doesn't matter, as long as you've got enough space to move around. Lay down a sheet or towel to catch those stray hairs. Your significant other will thank you later. Make sure your tools are within arm's reach. You don't want to be doing the Macarena mid-haircut to grab that comb. Got your tunes pumping? Perfect. Put on your game face because it's time to get down to business. Short and sweet buzz cut confidence. Let's start with the classic buzz cut. Simple, stylish, and surprisingly versatile. First things first, choose your guard size. Lower the number, shorter the hair. Remember, you can always go shorter, but you can't put it back on. Start by buzzing the sides, moving the clippers upwards against the direction of hair growth. Keep it smooth and even, overlapping each pass slightly. Once the sides are done, move on to the top, using the same upward motion. Feeling adventurous? Go for a fade by using a higher guard number on top and gradually decreasing the guard size as you move down the sides. Mid-length mastery, taming the mane. For those who have embraced the medium-length hair journey, this guide is your new best friend. Whether you're aiming for a sleek, professional look or a more relaxed, tousled style, mastering the art of taming your mane is essential. For those rocking a bit more length, fear not. We got this. Medium-length hair can be incredibly versatile, offering a range of styling options that can suit any occasion. From casual outings to formal events, your hair can be your best accessory. Start by combing your hair in its natural direction. This helps to identify any uneven lengths and makes the trimming process smoother. Using a wide-tooth comb can help to detangle your hair without causing breakage, ensuring that your hair remains healthy and strong. Then, using your fingers as a guide, trim the hair on top to your desired length. Remember, less is more. It's always better to start with small trims and gradually work your way to the perfect length. This way, you avoid the risk of cutting too much and ending up with a style that's shorter than you intended. You can always trim more later. Take your time and assess your progress frequently. This ensures that you maintain control over the final outcome and can make adjustments as needed. For the sides, use a comb and scissors to blend the hair from the top into the sides. Blending is crucial for achieving a seamless transition between different lengths, giving your haircut a polished and professional look. Hold the scissors parallel to your head and snip small sections of hair at an angle. This technique helps to create layers and adds texture to your hair, making it look fuller and more dynamic. This will create a softer, more natural look. Don't forget the back. The back of your head is just as important as the front and sides. Ensuring that the back is well trimmed and blended will give your haircut a cohesive and balanced appearance. Use a hand mirror or ask a friend or a very understanding roommate to help you get those hard-to-reach spots. Having an extra set of eyes can be incredibly helpful, especially when it comes to ensuring that your haircut is even and well executed from all angles. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with these techniques, the more confident you'll become in your ability to tame your mane and achieve the look you desire. Long hair don't care, flow with control. Long hair, you magnificent beast, you require patience and precision. Start by sectioning your hair, securing the top layers with clips. Working from bottom to top, trim the ends of your hair, holding the scissors horizontally. For layers, hold sections of hair away from your head and snip into the ends at an angle. This will create movement and prevent the dreaded triangle head look. Remember, patience is key here. Take your time, step back often to check your progress, and don't be afraid to ask for help with those tricky back sections.